Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting video. I'm really excited to be reviewing the new Foreo Bear Mini. I have not opened this device yet, so we are going to open it together and see how it works. About 2 months ago, I did review the Foreo UFO 2 mask device, and I really have been loving this device so much. I've been using it about 2 to 3 times a week, and my skin has never looked better. I feel that I don't have as much breakouts as I used to. I'm just down below around my chin area because of the mask that we've been wearing. I felt that I was breaking out. My skin was not looking very bright. I have no makeup on at all. I just have a little bit of mascara and some lip gloss, but otherwise my skin has no makeup whatsoever, and it feels so much more glowy and brighter. And I feel that this device has really been working wonders on my skin. This device has become such a little skincare treat throughout my week. I seriously look forward to using it, and it feels so good on the skin. I definitely see a change in my skin tone and also the hydration as well, because I have really dry skin, so my skin just feels so much more hydrated and brighter. I definitely love this device. If you guys are interested, I will link the video down below for you to check it out. It really is an awesome device. Today we are reviewing another Foreo device. This one is the Bear Mini, and it is a smart microfacial toning device. If you guys haven't heard of microcurrent technology, it's been used in spas for years, and it's been shown to reduce wrinkles as well as spots on the skin. So this is a little mini at-home version that you could use instead of going to the spa that costs $200 to $600 per treatment. This device is $199. It does come in 2 sizes. There's a standard size that's a little bit bigger for kind of the bigger areas of your face, and this little mini version that's $199, and this is more for a focused type of treatment. Now this is of course not FDA approved by any means, but there are studies that are really arguing that devices like this that use microcurrent technology have shown an effect in the treatment of facial wrinkles. Now the way the system works is it increases blood circulation so that it stimulates collagen production, and by contracting old and unhealthy collagens, these changes lead to firmness and toning of facial skin. Now of course there are different methods to reduce or get rid of wrinkles. Some of them include invasive methods like a facelift, which require cosmetic surgery, which requires hospitalization, that can be very expensive, and of course that have many side effects. There's also semi-invasive methods that include laser therapy as well as Botox that can also be quite costly. And of course there's non-invasive methods that includes creams, booster creams, anti-wrinkle creams. However, there aren't that many studies out there that prove the effectiveness of these methods. This Bear Mini device is another non-invasive method that you can use right at home. There are other devices similar to this that are on the market. The most popular one right now is the NuFace device. I haven't used the NuFace device, but from what I've seen online is it's quite chunky, and what I like about this Foreo device is how petite it is. So I really love the design of the Foreo as well as the smart functionality of it. Now both the Bear and the Bear Mini have microcurrent technology, the T-sonic pulsations, the anti-shock system, so you don't have to worry that you're going to be shocked with the electric pulsations that come out of the device. They also have microcurrent intensity levels, and this is where they differ. The standard size has 5 intensity levels, and the smaller Bear Mini has 3. The standard size comes in only 1 color, and it has a full facial and targeted functionality, whereas the Bear Mini has a targeted functionality. I also have the Foreo Serum as well to use with the device. Now it's very important to use a serum with a microcurrent device to safely transfer those microcurrents into your skin. So let's go ahead and open this device and see how it works. So first off, we're going to see what's in here. All right, let's see. So we have the device itself. I love how petite it is. It's so cute. And I feel like it fits around the contours of my face perfectly. Also feels really cooling. That's really nice. So inside we also have a little stand just like the Foreo UFO. And we have a USB charger as well as some serum. So I just zoomed you guys in and I pulled my hair up so that we can go ahead and use the device. And this is the serum as well that I will be using with the device. see. I think I've used the serum with my Foreo UFO2. It did come as a little sample size, and I do like it. So I'm glad that I have the full size now. First, we do need to link the device to the app. So I'm going into my app over here, and I do have my UFO2 that's already linked. So I'm going to go ahead and add a device, and then I'm going to choose the Bear Mini. It's asking me to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Go ahead and do that. All right, perfect. So now the device is in sync and I can go ahead and register it. I went ahead and pulled my hair out of my face. So we're gonna go ahead and start the treatment. And then there's a T-sonic pulsation. Either you can turn it on or off. Of course, we're gonna have that on. And then there's 3 levels of microcurrent, 5, 10, and 15. So we're just gonna go ahead and go for the highest setting today. And press start. Just counting down. So it seems that they want me to apply some of the serum. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. The treatment. Honestly, I thought it would be longer than that, and I thought I would be able to use this around my eye area, but it seems that the tutorial really just focused on kind of the mouth area. When I have kind of smile lines right over here, I think this will really help out with that, and also cheekbones as well. So I guess that would be a major difference between the mini and the standard version. The standard version is kind of all over. You can kind of tone your entire face, your forehead in particular. If you can see over here, I feel that the standard version will be so much better for that. But this one is very focused around the mouth and also the cheekbones. I did feel a little bit of a pulsation, prickly-like effect on my skin. And of course, this is a microcurrent. It's not that strong. It doesn't feel like I was shocked by any means. It's very tolerable, and it kind of feels nice on the skin. The effects of this device definitely is not instantaneous. I hardly feel any kind of change at all. This kind of device will definitely need to be used at least over a month's period. So I am going to go ahead and do a study on myself. I will be using this device daily over the next month, and I most likely will be doing another video to let you guys know how it works or if it actually does work. The only thing with the app, I do wish they have more of a guided tour similar to the UFO2, where it has a spa-like music and someone actually talking to you and telling you exactly what's going on and what kind of areas you're treating and how you're treating it. But that's the only thing. Maybe they will have an update in the future, and they will do that with the Bear Mini. And that is my unboxing and first impression of the Foreo Bear Mini. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.